Another big story we're tracking this morning is the release of former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti from detention. She spent 14 months in detention so far. Mehbooba was put under house arrest when the central government purged Article 370 that provided special status to Jammu and Kashmir on August 5th, 2019. Soon after her release, Mehbooba released an audio message on Twitter and claimed that August 5th, 2019, when Article 370 was purged, was a black day for Jammu and Kashmir. She also vowed to take back what, in fact, she claimed that New Delhi had snatched from Kashmir. Mehbooba also called the move undemocratic and unconstitutional. Expressing happiness with regards to her mother's release, Iltija Mufti took to Twitter and thanked everybody who supported them during these tough times. Omar Abdullah, who was released in March this year, also welcomed Mehbooba's release. He, along with his father, Farooq Abdullah, remember, were also detained after the purge of Article 370, but they were released months ago.
मैं आज 1 साल से भी ज़्यादा अरसे के बाद रिहा हुई हूँ। इस दौरान 5 अगस्त 2019 के काले दिन का काला फैसला हर पल मेरे दिल और रूह पे वार करता रहा और मुझे एहसास है कि यही कैफियत जम्मू कश्मीर के तमाम लोगों की रही होगी। हम में से कोई भी शख्स उस दिन की डाकाजनी और बेइज्जती को कतई भूल नहीं सकता। अब हम सबको इस बात का इरादा करना होगा कि जो दिल्ली दरबार ने 5 अगस्त को गैर आईनी, गैर जमहूरी, गैर कानूनी तरीके से हमसे छीन लिया, उसे वापस लेना होगा। बल्कि उसके साथ साथ मसले कश्मीर, जिसकी वजह से जम्मू कश्मीर में हजारों लोगों ने अपनी जानें निशावर की, उसको हल करने के लिए हमें अपनी जदोजहद जारी रखनी होगी। मैं मानती हूँ ये राह कतई आसान नहीं होगी, लेकिन मुझे यकीन है कि हम सब का हौसला और अज़म ये दुश्वार रास्ता तय करने में हमारा मुआविन होगा। आज जबकि मुझे रिहा किया गया है, मैं चाहती हूं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के जितने भी लोग मुल्क के मुख्तलिफ जेलों में बंद पड़े हैं, उन्हें जल्द से जल्द रिहा किया जाए।
Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us live with more details on this. Kamaljeet, good morning. The central government has been facing a lot of flack for the last few months over the detention of Mehbooba Mufti. She was in fact under detention for over 14 months. Why did the government deem it fit now to finally release her?
One has to see that on 15th, the Supreme Court hearing was supposed to be scheduled. And remember, the Supreme Court had made scathing remarks against the central government as well as the government of J&K, stating for how long can she be kept. One, there were no charges against her. All other leaders had already been released. The other fact is that this could not be kept in perpetuity. So clearly ahead, and this is like a 24 hours before the court hearing in Supreme Court, this is when Mehbooba Mufti was released because the court had said for how long can she be kept in detention. Clearly there were answers which were required in the court, and before that her release comes in. But clearly what she has said is a hard-hitting statement. She's mincing no words, and she's clearly against the abrogation of Article 370, saying whatever has been snatched away will be taken back. So that is where the lines are really drawn now. We've heard earlier Farooq Abdullah talking about it, saying that the Kashmiris prefer Chinese rule. So in that sense, one can expect that this is the line that the center was really anticipating, and in a sense fearing too, that these are leaders who could gather mass support and have an opposition on the ground. But clearly much water has flown under the bridge. There is not any ground situation as of now, a ground swell. But yes, now that she's out, we'll really have to see how she's able to put her politics, because NC and PDP are clearly against the abrogation of Article 370. They've made the line clear. But Mehbooba Mufti coming and addressing a press conference on Friday will really set the ball rolling. Remember, there is an assembly election in the next year or so. There is also a Panchayat election which are going to be announced. There is a lot of politics which will happen in the next few months.
All right, Kamaljeet, thank you for getting us all those updates this morning.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.